Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
So today I am going to make Paneer Sizzler. For that here I have taken paneer and mushroom. You can see that I have cut the mushroom into halves. Now in that add lemon juice, salt, Italian seasoning or mixed herbs, black pepper powder and peri peri masala. Now nicely marinate them with all the masalas. Take a skewer. You have taken a wooden skewer. First add the mushroom. Then add the paneer pieces. Then again add the mushroom. Like this, repeat the process. So all our paneer pieces has been ready to cook. In a grill pan add some butter. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes. So our grilled paneer is ready. Now in that same pan grill our tomatoes. I have cut the tomatoes into half, and in the high flame just give it a grill marks. So our grilled tomatoes is ready. Now in the pan add some sweet corn and salt and nicely saute them. Here I am simply roasting our capsicum. So all our vegetables is ready. Now let's prepare the rice. For that in a pan add some butter. In that add green peas, salt and black pepper powder, and give them a nice mix. After that add our boiled basmati rice. So our rice is ready. Now let's assemble all. In a sizzler, add a layer of cabbage so that the rice or the vegetable does not stick. Add our rice. Now let's assemble all the vegetables. At one side add our grilled tomatoes, roasted capsicum, and sauteed sweet corn. Now keep the sizzler in high flame for 10 minutes. Here I am rotating each side to get the proper heat. So here we go, our Paneer Sizzler is ready to serve.